people, good afternoon. Yeah, it's me. How are you doing today? Today here. Today is a holiday, and I'm here running errands. Oh man, people, how are you? Happy holiday. Happy afternoon and guten Abend. How are you guys doing? It's me. I'm here with you people, taking you along for a walk. And as you can see, everything is silent, totally silent. So I just decided to take a walk around this place and just do a video with you people. And yeah, it's fun. It's really fun. People are walking around looking at me as usual like crazy, like I just landed from planet Jupiter or Mars. But you know what, who cares? Who cares? Yeah, that's it. Look behind me. That's the BMW. I've shown you this quite a lot and a lot of times, so I don't want to bore you people with this. And maybe there's nothing really interesting to show you guys. Yeah, so goodbye. Hi everybody, look at this beautiful green small area for relaxation. Well, apparently I discovered this place today, and I thought like, why not try this? Why not give it a try? And it turned out perfect. You can see what I'm having. Guten Appetit. It's fun here. And guess what's behind me? Guess. Have a look at this. You know what that is? That's the BMW buildings, and this is where I am, right in the middle of this busy place, and it's fun. It's really fun. So yeah, and the funniest thing is it just started to drizzle, and I was like, oh, how disappointing is this? But thanks God the rain just stopped. So I think I'm so lucky, because I had some people here on the street who are just standing. It was raining, and they were standing and looking at me, because I was here making pics, filming, and many other things. But funny enough, or lucky enough, the rain just stopped. So guys, I wish you all a happy holiday today. Right here is a holiday, and till we meet next time, bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for joining me tonight. And today I'm going to speak about self-love. Self-love is really important. Women and men out there, it is the high time you love yourself. Love yourself as much as you can. Trust me, nobody will reciprocate the love you have for yourself. Nobody in this world You have to love yourself. Love yourself as much as you can. Do it for yourself because you are everything. You are the boss of your life. And trust me, if you love yourself, everything else is gonna happen. Everything else will be perfect. So remember to love yourself and, of course, love others. Don't forget to love others as well because God gave this love to us and He's calling upon us to share the love with everybody in this world. So, as much as loving yourself is concerned, you are called upon to love others. Okay? With those words, I come to the end of this video and see you next time. Bye.